In the hectic life that King David lived, he must have found the times when his shepherd guided him by quiet waters to be some of the most wonderful moments. When his thoughts of battles and governing a nation could just slip away. Behaviors we've known. And so it is with us. We need time with our shepherd, just beside some quiet waters, where the mortgage and our jobs, worrying about the kids and the family, kind of disappear, and we rest with the Lord. So go find your quiet waters, listening and enjoy the presence of the Lord. Jesus, come. Let your spirit